All right, let's take a look at this one. We have 5/3 plus 1 over 2p equals 1 over 6p squared. So let's think about some of the strategies we've used before. Our first step was to move like denominators to one side because it just made our life easier. So I think that's going to work here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the 1 over 2p by 3p over 3p. Because what I'm going to get is 5/3 plus 3p over 6p squared equals 1 over 6p squared. Because I did that, I can now subtract 3p over 6p squared on both sides to rewrite this. So now we're moving up to the top. To rewrite this as 5/3 is equal to 1 minus 3p over 6p squared. Now I'm set up for my cross multiplication. So I'm going to get 30p squared equals 3 times 1 minus 3p, which means 30p squared equals 3 minus 9p. I'm going to subtract 3 and add 9p to both sides to get 30p squared plus 9p minus 3 equals 0. Okay, well, they all have a 3 in common, so I can take that out, leaving me with 10p squared plus 3p minus 1 equals 0. And can I go any further with this one? Let's see. How do I multiply to -1 but add to 3 here? I could do something probably with 2 and 5. So this will simplify to 3, a 5p, a 2p. Let's think about this. If I make this a +1 and this a -1, does that work? Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so I know we're running out of room here. I'm sorry. So now we can say that 5p minus 1 has to equal 0 when p equals 1/5. And we could say 2p plus 1 equals 0 when p equals -1/2 as our two solutions.